How to use the TikTok after the ban in USA. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want a workaround to use TikTok in USA after the ban, here is an easy VPN that you can use. Head over to Play Store or App Store and search for XVPN. Once it has been downloaded, tap open the application. While XVPN is a paid VPN, however, it provides you a 7-day free trial. So tap on agree and continue with the 7-day free trial. Once that is done, you will have to now continue and select the server other than the USA server. Now that this is done, you can add the debit or credit card and continue using the TikTok application. If you head over to your TikTok app, you will see all the TikTok videos. However, if this does not seem to work directly, once you have connected to the XVPN, make sure to uninstall TikTok once and install it once again. You can even clear the data or cache and then reopen the TikTok, which should probably work even after the ban. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.